Just enjoy it. Embrace it. It's a beautiful thing.
Go, yeah.
And we're live at the 2011 Croquet West Clay Tournament. That's where we are. Take it in. You wanna play? She's like,
Come here, Rosie. Come on, you heard him. Okay, stop. I don't feel comfortable with this. Okay, Rosie, you're such a good girl. I already know it. I can already tell. You want to know how I can tell? Okay, wait, stop. How old is she? I'm gonna get you out of here.
mozzarella in the bella. Mozzarella in the belly. They are rare. Girls, are they so hairy? This one's fresh out of the womb. Look at that one. It just popped out.
Goodness.
It's uterus fresh, isn't it?
They're about to get...
He's so scared. Maybe if we just gave him like a shot where we put him to sleep for a while, then we could touch him.
Hey, fella, sit.
Yeah, you don't have to put him to sleep.
Sit.
He
Down.
sleeps all the time.
Hey.
No, we could kill
Down.
him.
Oh my gosh, look at him.
Yeah, I'm nice.
Damn.
You better watch out. He might find another girl dog. And then
Sure.
who knows after that?
He's well hung.
He is well hung.
He is.
I couldn't help but noticing he had some jewels on the
I
back.
know, I'm proud of him too. Like,
He is.
You dig.
He has got a large Johnson back there.
he does.
Hey, that's something to be proud of, big boy.
Yeah. He's got a...
I think he knows it too, and that's why he's so
Look
scared.
at it. Look at it back there. Look at it back there. Look at that.
Can we get a close up? Can we get a close up on that?
That's the same red rocket that they blasted off in NASA. That's a big one right there.
Look at that right there.
Call that thing Apollo. He's a boy. Oh boy.
Of our
Of his
time,
age.
the Beatles
Hey,
are the
Bosco.
greatest.
Hey,
Question
Bosco.
is, who
boys.
shot John
Come over
Lennon?
here, Bosco.
You know, that's the question.
Oh, come over here, Bosco.
Good boys.
You are about the most precious thing that I've ever seen.
Bosco, good boy.
You are.
It's okay, Bubba. It's okay.
I got the Moto Quick right there. Okay. Yeah. No, it's probably about 6 months or so. Okay. Yeah. It's 5 megapixels right there. How many megapixels you got? How many megapixels you got?
I have no idea.
You don't know? Okay, let's go.
Yeah, you let one rip, I'm done.
No.
So why don't you give me a little space?
Hey, you know, that's always good for someone to hear and then. Like
Thanks. Yep. So what are you guys gonna do tonight?
It's been a pleasure.
Okay.
Thank you. Here you go.
Probably gonna kiss each other. I'm not kidding.
Whatever turns your crank.
That's what you want.
Don't let them force you to saying you can't move. Without them fuck up, I tell them this ain't new. We been some hustlers since it began, dude. Ain't gonna be tripping over some bitch ass dude. They so vain, I tell them this ain't you. You can get sensitive, but the shit ain't true. These niggas can't do nothing that I can't do, that she can't do, that he can't do, that you can't do, that we can't do. Man, I had a dream and then the shit came true. And nigga, if I did it, I think you can too. These niggas can't do nothing that I can't do, that she can't do, that he can't do, that you can't do, that we can't do. Man, I had a dream and then the shit came true. These niggas can't do nothing that I can't do.
She's like,
What's she shaking? Let her go.
So.
She's standing.
Oh, we did it! Oh, kiss her! Kiss her! Oh,
everybody.
she's a Bella. You're probably over there getting jealous. Oh, I set her down gentle.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Okay. Get out.
Oh my gosh.